Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 3rd to 7th November 2025. So let's go straight to our chart first. So let's open our chart over here. So this is a gold USD pair chart. So let's talk about what happened on Friday in gold USD. Currently 4002.52 was the closing, 0.54% negative momentum we have seen on Friday in gold. Currently, let's talk about what could happen in coming week. I'll be sharing some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check a weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a bearish candle with a small body and a big lower wick with a small upper wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is at a slight overbought area, which is indicating as a negative move. But remember, as we always say, we should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to the momentum. So do check that the news or any important events and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So this is a 1-day chart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any videos, and click on the notification tab because soon I'll be sharing some crypto analysis as well. So don't miss any videos. So click on the bell icon and click on all notification so that you don't miss any videos. Currently, we can see a good support zones and resistance zones are already marked. We don't need to mark any such levels currently. So let's directly talk about the closing first. So here 4002.5 is the closing. Here the direct support is 39.99. Here the direct resistance is 40.40. After direct support, there is a support of 39.80 and then 39.60. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 40.81 and then 41.10. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I've already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in XAU USD or gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a positive move that is in this range 40.40 to 40.80. I'm expecting a positive closing in this range. Overall, if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 4,000 or 39.99 gets breached and a 1-day candle gets closed below this, then we can go for a short trade till 39.80 or 39.60 as well. So these are some important levels. Overall, my expectation is positive in this range. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. And if you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.